Social media marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves using social media platforms to connect with the target audience, build brand awareness, promote products or services, and drive website traffic. It leverages the power of social media networks to engage users, create meaningful relationships, and foster brand loyalty. In this comprehensive explanation, we will delve into the various aspects of social media marketing, its benefits, key components, best practices, and its evolving landscape. Introduction to social media marketing. Emergence of social media marketing. Social media marketing emerged as a result of the growing popularity of social media platforms in the early 2000s. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube provided businesses with an opportunity to connect with a vast user base. Importance of social media marketing. Social media has become an integral part of people's daily lives, making it a critical channel for businesses to reach their target audience effectively. Benefits of social media marketing. Social media marketing offers several advantages, such as increased brand visibility, enhanced customer engagement, improved customer insights, and the potential to drive website traffic and conversions. 2. Key components of social media marketing. Social media strategy. A well-defined social media strategy outlines the goals, target audience, platforms, content types, posting schedule, and performance metrics for the social media marketing efforts. Social media platforms. Social media marketing involves choosing the right platforms based on the target audience and the nature of the business. Popular platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Content creation and curation. High quality, engaging, and shareable content is crucial for social media success. Content can include text, images, videos, infographics, and user-generated content. Community engagement. Engaging with the social media community is essential for building relationships, responding to comments, addressing customer inquiries, and fostering brand loyalty. Social media advertising. Paid social media advertising allows businesses to reach a broader audience and promote their products or services through targeted ads. 3. Social media marketing process. Objective setting. Clearly define the objectives of the social media marketing campaign, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales. Audience research. Conduct research to identify the target audience's demographics, interests, behavior, and preferences. Platform selection. Choose the most relevant social media platforms based on the target audience's presence and engagement. Content creation. Create compelling and engaging content that resonates with the target audience and aligns with the brand's values and voice. Content publishing. Schedule content posts at optimal times to maximize reach and engagement. Community management. Engage with the social media community, respond to comments, address queries, and foster positive interactions. Social media advertising. Implement paid social media campaigns to amplify reach, generate leads, and drive conversions. Performance tracking and analysis. Monitor key performance metrics, such as engagement, reach, clicks, and conversions, to assess the effectiveness of the social media marketing efforts. 4. Best practices in social media marketing. Consistency. Maintain a consistent brand image and voice across all social media platforms. Visual appeal. Use visually appealing and high-quality images and videos to capture the audience's attention. Engaging content. Create content that sparks conversations, encourages sharing, and invites user participation. Hashtag strategy. Use relevant and trending hashtags to increase content visibility and reach a wider audience. User-generated content. Encourage customers to create and share content related to the brand or products. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers to reach their dedicated audience and gain credibility. Social listening. Monitor social media conversations and sentiments to gain insights into customer preferences and feedback. Analytics and insights. Utilize social media analytics tools to track performance and make data-driven decisions. Evolving trends in social media marketing. Video dominance. Video content, including live streaming and stories, is gaining traction as a preferred content format on social media platforms. Social commerce. Social media platforms are integrating e-commerce features, allowing users to make purchases directly from social posts. Chatbots and messaging apps. Brands are using chatbots and messaging apps for customer support and personalized interactions. Augmented reality, AR, filters. AR filters and effects are becoming popular for interactive and engaging content. Short-form content. Short-form content, such as TikTok videos and Instagram Reels, is capturing the attention of younger audiences. VI. Challenges and considerations. Algorithm changes. Social media algorithms continually evolve, affecting organic reach and engagement. Social media crisis management. Businesses must be prepared to handle negative feedback or crises on social media. Privacy and data security. Social media marketers must respect user privacy and adhere to data protection regulations. Platform diversity. Managing multiple social media platforms requires careful planning and resource allocation. 7. Conclusion. Social media marketing has revolutionized the way businesses connect with their audience, build brand awareness, and foster customer loyalty. By crafting compelling content, engaging with the community, and embracing emerging trends, businesses can leverage the power of social media to achieve their marketing objectives. As social media continues to evolve, staying updated with the latest trends and best practices will be essential for marketers to remain competitive and make the most of the opportunities offered by this dynamic and ever-changing landscape. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.